Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. So it is very happy to see you again to another tutorial video. So guys, here I will talk about the alternative how to apply the VLOOKUP on the Google Spreadsheet. Might be in the previous or maybe in the previous video you have ever saw or ever seen and watched our video about the tutorial to use the formula or function of VLOOKUP. Maybe and as the previous you have the task to identify the group number of teacher Rose and Himawari here, and this is the example of the table. Let's say in the previous test you would like to type the VLOOKUP and give the parentheses, and you can click the references is in the column of C14 and give it a comma. Then you drag all of the data from the cell of C4 until H10 and lock it with the F4 from your keyboard and give it a comma, and you can also identify or see where's the column of group number placed or being placed. As you can see, it is placed in the third column after the column of teacher's name. 1, 2, 3. Then we will type 3 here. Then give it the comma again. Then type false. I usually type in the full of capital letter and give it a close parenthesis. Then you will click OK, and you can also let the Google Sheet to do the autofill. But actually, I will show you that this function can also being applied with a slightly interactive. Let's say I will choose the same function here. No, I better type it. Type it VLOOKUP, double click the cell of C19, comma, drag the data as the faster way is Control Shift down and right. And there you go. Don't forget to lock it with the F4. And still we would like to know about the group number. Then as you can see, the group number is being placed on the column of E or third column after the teacher's name. 1, 2, 3. Then type 3 and false. And this is the loop. Well, if you would like to know about the group that being thought or being handled by this teacher, you can actually simply delete or remove the reference here. And let's say I would like to know about the class that being handled by teacher Novita. Then I will type Novita here. And there you go. There is the group of number 826 here. And let's say I would like to search the group that being handled by the teacher Annie. I will type Annie. And there you go. It still also show you the result that the group is the from 832. So this can be the option if you would like to apply the VLOOKUP function here, guys. So I hope this update of the video helpful for you, and if you have any requests or is there any feedback about another video tutorial, please don't forget to put it on a comment down below, and we would love to see your comments there. And if you would like to know and watch our another tutorial video, don't forget to visit and subscribe our channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.